Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on Cash App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will need to log in using your email address or your phone number. Now, if you have already logged in, you might need to enter your biometrics or your PIN code. After logging in, tap on your account icon at the top right corner and you will be taken into your account page. Now, underneath account and settings, tap on personal, and underneath personal info, you will be able to enter your address. Tap on your current address or tap on add an address and you will be asked to enter your current address. Go ahead and type in your current address, and as soon as you enter your address, you can fulfill further details within the address line 2 section if you wish, and then tap on the next button. And once you tap on next, your address will immediately be added to your account. Once your address has been added, if you wish to change this, you can once again go back to account and settings and tap on personal to change your address as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your address on Cash App. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.